Hi guys, today we are reviewing the TOTO C5 washlet. I've already taken it out of the box and installed it for you so you can check it out here. And what I've done first here is the fake poop test. And this is Nutella, so no worries guys. And as you can see, I'm upping the pressure here and then moving the nozzle back. And you can see here on the foil that it just removes the fake poop. Here's the oscillation mode, which some like, some don't. I really think it works great for most people. And I mean, in a natural setting you'd also move your butt a bit, so it wouldn't work exactly like this. And then you retract it and you can see just after a minute, going through a few of the settings that you can use. You can adjust the nozzle back and forth. You can pick rear or rear soft settings, and you can also use the front feminine setting on this bidet seat. Here is a close-up of the nozzle oscillation mode as it moves back and forth, an oscillating move. There's also a massage setting. Finally, let's just take a look at the rear cleansing mode. So in closing, I just want to say that I really recommend the TOTO C5 washlet. It's not the cheapest one, but if you can afford it, then go for it.